Have you ever watched a stock rally aggressively, only to hit an invisible wall and violently crash back down? What you just witnessed is an institutional reversal. Retail traders get trapped here, but smart money leaves footprints in the volume. Today, we are going to learn the XVRL strategy, which stands for exact volume reversal level. This simple but incredibly powerful concept will help you identify the exact points where institutions flip the market. The XVRL setup works on any chart: Indian markets, US markets, Forex, or crypto. The very first rule is to set your chart to a 30-minute time frame to find an institutional footprint. We are looking for a specific sequence of 3 consecutive volume bars of the exact same color. Here is the exact mathematical structure you need to find at the bottom of your chart. First volume, a normal volume bar. Second volume, this bar must be strictly lower than the first volume bar. Third volume, this bar must be higher than the second volume bar. It can also be higher than the first, but it is mandatory that it is higher than the second. This 1, 2, 3 volume sequence is your key signal. Once you spot this exact 1, 2, 3 volume sequence, look directly up at the 3 corresponding price candles. Out of these 3 candles, find the single highest high and the lowest low. Doesn't matter which of the 3 candles created them. Just pinpoint the absolute extremes. Draw horizontal lines across this highest high and lowest low. Congratulations, you have just marked an institutional exact volume reversal level. These lines act as exact reversal points where the price is highly likely to take massive support or face massive resistance. The golden rule here is to never trade randomly in the middle of this range. Now that your zone is marked, switch your time frame down to 5 minutes for execution. You must wait patiently for the breakout. If the price breaks the upper resistance line, you look to buy, and if the price breaks the lower support line, you look to short sell. You must wait patiently for the breakout. Before you jump into the live market, remember these non-negotiable rules. You should only use XVRL formations from the current trading day or the previous trading day. Finally, never trade an XVRL formation that forms after 100 p.m. While it may still act as a strong reversal level, entering a trade that late in the day doesn't give you enough time to capture the momentum. Finally, never trade an XVRL formation that forms after 100 p.m. Mark your levels, wait for the breakout, and let the institutional volume guide your trades.